Hey guys, welcome back. So today is tattoo day. I'm so excited. It is Monday, August 28th. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I have a tattoo appointment in 3 hours at 5 o'clock. I am going to get my arm, whole upper part of my arm. I'm very excited, a little bit nervous, but it's like the good nervous, you know what I mean? So I have a little bit of time right now. I just got some stuff done this morning, and the only things I really have to do is I have to eat, because I have not eaten yet today. I'm gonna take a shower, get in my comfies, grab some water, and we're gonna go to my tattoo appointment. I have no idea how long it's going to take. I mean, it's not like a huge piece, but it's not like small either. So it might be a pretty late night if this whole part of my arm has been empty for way too long, and I'm just really excited to have it like filled up, you know what I mean? And I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm getting just yet. You guys will just have to wait and see. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of have like a little bit of a tattoo vlog. This isn't gonna be like a whole vlog, it's just gonna be like a tattoo vlog. And I will talk to you guys in a little bit, but I'm gonna finish just relaxing, and I really need to find something to eat. Yeah, I will talk to you guys in just a little bit. Bye. Now, one of the ways I like to prepare for tattoo day is a motherfucking taquitos. I got them heating up right now. I got my sour cream. I'm ready. I wasn't craving anything else, and I was like, you know what? Taquitos, you can never go wrong with taquitos, so that's what I'm gonna have. I'll probably have something like really quick later, like right before I leave, but probably do like a little bit of makeup so I don't look like a total like chode, and then we'll go. I'll probably leave here like at 4:30 or so and just get there. Oh my gosh, camera's fogging up. Yes. Oh my gosh. Hell yeah. And then to drink, I think I'll have a beer. I'm just kidding. No, we'll have a Gatorade. Get some electrolytes. So let's go enjoy our lunch. I am such a chuck. I thought my appointment was at 5. It's at 6, so I'm leaving now. I had another little snack. I just had a banana and a granola bar. I'm really not that hungry, but I'm all ready to go. I have a water and some Gatorade, What do I want to listen to? Listen to some Pandora. Alright, let's do this. Let's go get tattooed. Alright, I made it. So it is almost time to go in. It's almost time to get tattooed. Hey guys, so it is now the next day, the day after my tattoo. It's about 6 o'clock now. I just took a shower and I wanted just to show you guys what it looks like the best I can. I'm gonna keep this vlog going until I like take off the Tegaderm and moisturize it so you guys can see it better, but I just want to show you what it's looking like right now, literally like a day later. So here is the tattoo. It looks a little bit funny because I have the second skin on and I have a couple like air bubbles. You can kind of see them right there. It is really, really cool. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I don't know if I'm supposed to have these little air bubbles in here. I'm gonna have to message my artist about that, but I'll be keeping the Tegaderm on for 5 days and then I can take it off and just moisturize it until it heals. As far as like pain goes, this was probably the easiest tattoo I've ever gotten. It was pretty much virtually painless, which I was very happy about because I don't particularly like getting tattooed. Like, it doesn't feel very good, but this was so easy. It was so much fun. I love hanging out with Matt, watching movies while I'm getting tattooed, talking. It was just awesome. I will see you guys again at the 5-day mark when we remove the Tegaderm and moisturize it. Then you guys can really see what it looks like. Because I know it's kind of hard to see when it has that on it. I will see you guys again in 5 days for me, but a second for you. Talk soon. Hey guys, good morning. So it is now officially day 5 with my new tattoo. I still have the Tegaderm stuff on, and since it is day 5, it is time to take this off. I just woke up and I am about to hop in the shower. I usually like to remove the Tegaderm in the shower, and it's a good thing I'm removing it today because as you can see, it is starting to peel. So it needs to come off and it needs to be cleaned and moisturized. But since I have to get in the shower and I want to like record, you know, taking the Tegaderm off, I'm going to put a bikini top on and get in the shower because I can't really show that stuff, you know what I'm talking about? So we're gonna hop in a bikini top, we're gonna hop in the shower, we are going to peel off the Tegaderm, as you can see right there, and we're going to clean it and moisturize it. So let's get going. And hopefully the shower helps wake me up because I'm still not really awake yet. Okay, so I hope you can hear me over my shower running. I have the water on like cool, lukewarm, not hot. You definitely do not want hot water on a fresh tattoo. So I'm just going to get it wet and then I'm going to start lightly peeling. There is 2 pieces of Tegaderm. I have a top piece and then this bottom piece. So I'm going to start peeling up this top piece that has already started to peel. I'm just going to lightly wash it with some diluted antibacterial soap. Just wash it really good and then we can get out, dry it, and moisturize. Let's do it. Alright, I'm out of the shower now. All of the Sanoderm, Tegaderm is off. There's still some spots that are peeling that still need to come off, but the Tegaderm is off and all we really need to do from here on out is just moisturize it. What I use to moisturize mine is just the BreeAnn lotion. So now that it's clean, dry, I can put this on and then we can let it finish the peeling and the healing process. I still have a bit of like staining on my skin from where the Tegaderm was, but I'm just gonna leave that. It'll just come off in a couple of days. I don't want to like traumatize this area too much because I mean it is only 5 days old, so it's clean, it's moisturized, so we're just gonna let it sit and I will check in again with you guys in a few days after more of like the peeling has happened, because right now it's still like, you know, very vulnerable and it still needs to peel quite a bit, but that's what it looks like with the Tegaderm off. Yay! Talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it is now a couple days later and I wanted to give you an update on the tattoo and how it's doing. I think the last clip was me taking off the Tegaderm and washing it and moisturizing it, and we have done a lot of peeling since then. So here's what it is looking like now. There are a couple spots that still need to peel, kind of like over here in this area, so it is still very fresh, it is still very new. It's not completely healed yet. It's looking really, really good. I did have to use a little bit of coconut oil on the tattoo because I had some spots that were covered with like the sticky residue from the Tegaderm. So I just used a little bit of coconut oil and rubbed in small circles until it came off. So we got that off, and I've just been moisturizing it like 1 to 2 times a day. It really doesn't need a whole lot, but it's looking really, really good. Sorry, there's like a glare because I just cleaned it and moisturized it this morning. Here is what the tattoo is looking like. I absolutely love it so much. So basically, when I went and got the tattoo and I told him what I wanted, I said I wanted a hot demon girl with whited out eyes, a bridge piercing. I wanted half of her face to be like kind of morphing into a skull. So that's exactly what I got basically. And he decided to add the little horns after, which I absolutely love. That is totally my aesthetic. I love the way the horns look. They're not too big, they're just cute little devil horns, and I wanted it in black and gray, obviously. So some frequently asked questions is, did it hurt? It really, like, and I know this sounds crazy, but it really did not hurt that bad. This was probably one of the easiest tattoos I've ever gotten. The top of the arm, virtually painless. Like, it really wasn't bad at all. The only time I kind of like, a little bit is at the end when he did like the white highlights. So like the white in the bridge piercing and down in the skeleton area. So the white did hurt a little bit, but other than that, like, this was such an easy tattoo to get. Another question is, how much did you pay? In total, I paid $350 for this tattoo. I'm so glad I finally have this arm, something on this arm, because this arm has been empty for so long. I do intend to fill up the rest of this arm, but now I don't know how to like blend everything together, if that makes sense, because I call this arm my random arm. I just get whatever on this arm, so this sleeve is definitely going to be like a random sleeve. It's not totally healed. I know I'm ending this video while it's still healing, but it's going to take a while to heal. I'm a very, very slow healer, especially when it comes to the peeling process. It does not hurt at all anymore. It didn't hurt after like the second day. Like, it was just such an easy tattoo. I went to Lightning Revival Tattoo in Byron Center, Michigan, and my artist is Matt Nelson. He has tattooed me probably like 15 times at this point. He does most of my tattoos, and he is the one who did this beautiful piece, and I absolutely love it. I'm trying to like show it so there isn't a glare, but thank you guys for hanging out with me and for coming with me on my little tattoo vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you like the new ink as much as I do. If you don't, I don't care. It's not on your body, so don't worry about it, but if you like it, thank you very much. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please go down and make sure that you are subscribed, turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. I love you guys very much, but until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.